All right, so here we're going to look at how to back up a course. The reason you might want to back up a course is if you're going to do something, you're going to make some major changes and you want a copy of the previous course, but you don't want to change, you don't want to start a new course, so you might want to back up your current course. Another reason you might want to back up your current course is if you're going to reset your course. So that'll be in an upcoming video, but resetting a course gets rid of some of this information. So if you'd like to back it up prior to resetting, then you still have a static copy. Usually I do a backup before I do a reset, and my backup is typically if it's a semester-long class at the end of the semester, or if it's a year-long class at the end of the year. So the way you're going to do this is you're going to get into your administration pane. If you remember here, our administration is a button now in Boost. And here I'm going to go to backup. Here you get to choose what you're backing up. So do you want to keep users? Do you want to keep their assignments? Do you want to keep the badges, the blocks, the activities? I mean, typically you're going to keep most of these things. What you might not want to keep is users. Like that might not be relevant to your backup. If you're backing it up so you have a copy of your course, with the users in it, and you're just going to reset your course so it's ready for the new year, then you keep your users as it is. You can probably click jump to final step, but I'll take you through the next steps just so you can see them. This gives you every specific thing that it's backing up. So you can see there's lots of check marks here. I don't ever uncheck stuff if I checked it on the first screen, but let's say I want to back up everything except how to upload a file. Then I would uncheck that. So we'll go next again. Now here it's got green check marks. Everything you're going to back up. Here's the backup name. So you may want to put, your name in front of it or something. That's your choice. And then again, double checks everything. Green check marks tells good to go. So we keep scrolling, If you have a long class, there's a lot of scrolling here. And then you can just click perform backup. You'll see that it starts to sit and spin. It's spinning because it's creating the backup. It takes a little while, and it's backing up all of the information of your course. Some courses, if you do backup users, backup course logs, backup everything, and it's a huge course, your backup can take quite a while. So that's something that you just need to be aware of. Don't hit restart. Don't hit stop. You just got to let it run. They can go do other stuff. So you could go and do something else, but you just got to let it run. All right, so here's what it looks like when the backup file has been successfully created. It's just got this green deal, says it's done. You can go ahead and click continue. This will now show anything that you have backed up in all throughout your time here. So you can see that I've done 3 recently. So I did, I guess 2 recently. I've done 2 today. This is for the same course I must have backed up, looks like the middle of last year. If you go back, you can see other courses that I've backed up over time. Now, You can restore from here. So there's a restore button in your admin button on the homepage, and you can download. So you may want to download, for instance, if you keep a copy of every semester-long course you teach in a folder somewhere, you could download this, and then you can label it whatever you want. So you could say, spring semester 2016, fall semester 2016, and you could have all of those downloaded. So if you ever needed to get back into them, that's how you do it. You can see if you click Manage Backup Files, these are just the files that you've had in the past. So it allows you to grab those files and then download them or move them if you need. Otherwise, that's how you back up a course.